Hey guys, and welcome to another diecast review. Today we are looking at the Matchbox 2022 Ford Broncos Sports. Let's get them open and get a closer look. So the whole idea behind these is to add them to the Matchbox Fire Department as staff vehicles. They will be used to go to and from stores, to and from events, anything that doesn't require a whole fire truck to be there, they'll be used for that purpose. If they do need to respond, they would be able to respond to calls to meet up with the rest of the crew. That's just its main purpose. And as I mentioned, for now I have 2 of them, but if we do, we'll get a few more to kind of spread them out throughout the department. They're not assigned yet, but they will be eventually. They're nice little SUVs, perfect for what they're being used for. And these are kind of a little bit darker than normal, but they're still kind of reddish in a tone. Just a darker red from the rest of the fleet. And there might be black ones coming for the police department to be used in different areas as far as the police department goes. Investigations, detectives, all those types of areas. And there you have a look at the new Broncos for the Matchbox Fire Department. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.